dream into being. Dream, oh, it seems I've been dreaming, and now the gauze hath been lifted from my eyes. I am reaching out into endless skies. Please give me with fresh sight and new eyes to see the beauty of life. I know that things ain't always been light. In fact, I've had many dark nights of the soul. Oftentimes felt like I was walking on the wrong side of the road. But something springs forward to me in what has previously been a season of darkness and feeling weak. But I know it's my time to claim what is mine. Unbridled truth to state my own mind. I ain't here to make you like what I have to say, and that's alright. I ain't here to make your experience comfortable, but I know it's time to lift my soul. Higher heights is what I'm dreaming of. Stay on the path in my life, that's what I'm needing. So, time to say no, and I mean no, without telling myself that I need to apologize. Your presence forbidden remains to be seen. But if you disrupt yourself on the way to the throne, where have you been? Downtrodden, stuck in trauma loops or two, and you've been forgotten by the part of the heart that really is you. So I ask myself, where are you going, sister? And if you're going there, would you not help me listen? 'Cause I've been round the block a few times by now, into the spirals of hell, back up bursting through the ground, coming for a second spring, for the love that I bring to be returned tenfold for me when I sing. So channel forth and let it flow. Nothing to hold you back, only yourself in your own road. So throw open the doors and let onto the plains so they may know freedom. Oh, freedom of the soul. I sing of freedom, you know. Within every breath you take, if you let all the bullshit go. Within every step you take, if you follow your heart and align the compass to what you must show. I'm talking about freedom, oh, freedom to go, to move past all these limitations, all these pathways full of trepidation. Space to breathe and play, see the brighter parts of day. Ain't gonna hold myself back no more.